Invade your house.
Okay.
They cannot invade your house. They can.
So we now came to court that the court should stop them from further invasion of his house, molesting, arresting, or in any way tampering with his fundamental human rights, and restraining them from blocking his account. Asking for 500 billion naira damages. You can see what happened in court. What we got today is just an interim order. By the time we come back, they will have brought their own part of the story. When they bring their own part of the story, then we now go into the full scale of legal. You can see that now the court is living to its expectation as the last hope of a common man.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.